Hey guys, it's Ajay Chathur and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna unbox 2020 budget iPad. So let's dive right in.
Actually, it'll be my friend who will unbox his iPad, which he got in recently, as I got my iPad a little early in June, and also sorry for releasing it like months later. So, this is the package which we got through DHL from Apple. Oh yeah, we ordered it online along with the first generation Apple Pencil. The earpods we got it from a gadget shop. I honestly think the package is really cool, and it's sturdy and it feels like my iPad is actually safe inside it without even having a second thought. Thank you, DHL. Oh my god, the package itself is like 2 times bigger than the iPad box itself, and I feel the iPad is actually safe inside. I don't have to worry. Pardon me for the messiest unboxing ever. This is his first unboxing video, by the way. There you go, gentlemen. That's the box. That's it. That's all we want. I mean, we need the contents inside still. Yeah, I'll tell you a short story. The last time I checked with the store, they told me they wouldn't even take the iPad back if the sheet was torn. I was like, that's good. 28,000 for like a sheet of plastic. Thank you. Okay, my friend is actually struggling there a lot. Yeah, don't worry, even I was struggling. I don't even know how these professional YouTubers they just take it away so smoothly. Maybe that's why they're called professionals. Ah, finally. That's not my face. That's my friend and I'm right next to him. Yeah, it's not a break. Congratulations. So let us go to the contents. So you get the iPad, the box with all the papers and extra stuff like the stickers and terms and conditions and warranty, I guess. So yeah, you get the latest charging cable, and also surprisingly come with the adapter. So make sure nothing's below that too. Stupid guy.
Sticker. Oh, sorry guys, it's Apple sticker.
Now if you look at the charger cable, we have a type C USB to a lightning pin. That's the Apple upgrade of this year. And a charger adapter with a female type C. That's a bigger disadvantage we have there. And yeah, he engraved in the back. Yeah, the engraving is free if you order it online. Yeah, we'll power up the baby and let's set up this iPad. So yeah, the iPad is finally set up and ready to use. The one on the left is the 7th gen iPad, which I have, and the one on the right is what we unboxed. We have no difference at all on the outer look. Like, we have the smart connector, the lightning pin, the 2 dual audio speakers and the microphone. It even has the same screen resolution also. Even the brightness is about 500 nits. and even the same camera features. The upgrade in the price was only due to the upgrade in chip. The faster the better. Now let's get the pencil out of the pencil box. Let's become school kids again. A pencil with a battery. That's the futuristic. Ooh, sliding box. Look what we have here. Okay, I think it's the same exact box, with all the papers and stuff. Yeah. Okay. Paper. Oh, here we have a lightning pen adapter and an extra nib. And paper. Throw that away. Yeah. Here we come to the pencil. The pencil, it has a cap on the top, and you can screw the nib to the bottom, and yeah, this part is where you charge your pencil directly into the iPad, or you can use the adapter and connect it to the cable. Now coming to the second biggest update. Actually, it's the first biggest update is that my old charger, it had a USB pin, and the new charger has a Type-C pin. Now that's the update we don't like, because when you have this, you can't connect this to a normal laptop. You only can connect it to a Mac. It's a big break for Mac users either way. Why this is a disadvantage? Because you can connect this cable to a laptop and sync it with iTunes, or transfer files, photos, music, songs, etc. Anything, you can't do it. You can only use it with the Mac, and for charging you have to use this with the adapter. If you want to sync with the iTunes, transfer photos, music, files, everything else, either you have to get a Mac or get a different cable. I suggest the cable. Now the advantage of the old charger was that I could change the pin if I will go to any other country. Now I just have to buy a whole new adapter, and the old charger came with the USB port, not with the Type-C, so I don't have to get a new cable.
For the students who are buying a budget iPad or even any other iPad, I would highly recommend you to use the free apps such as OneNote, Evernote, or even the Notes app in the iPad, rather than the paid ones like Notability, GoodNotes 5, and even for drawing, there's Procreate. But who does that when you already have Adobe Fresco and Sketchbook for free? Even the interface is similar. Honestly, I feel no difference there. So yeah. So it's been great with you guys. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and if you haven't, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon, because I will be posting a lot of new videos. You know what? I'm going to unbox the iPhone 12. I'm going to release it. So yeah, wait for it, and have a very happy new year and a Merry Christmas to you all. See ya until next time.